Good morning. We're going to have a look at our math worksheet for today. We're going to complete each math problem. You can drag and drop the pieces that you see over here on the left to complete any of the questions in the boxes. And everywhere you see a blue question mark, it is a place to type your answer. So let's start up here. How many blocks? How many groups of 100, 10s, and 1s? So I can see I have 100, I have 0 10s, and I have 2 1s. So that is a total of 102 blocks. How many centimeters wide is your desk? Okay, this is time to get out a ruler and to measure your desk in centimeters. Whatever your answer is, you're going to type that in this space right here. And remember, you want to have your units in there, centimeters. Let's come down to the next one. Fill in the missing numbers. 135, 140, 145. Clearly we're counting by 5s here, so I know I need to add 5 more, and that will make it 150. So I'm going to type into this box 150. Let's have a look at the next line. 90, 100, 110. Now we're counting by 10s, so I'm going to add another 10 and get 120. And I can always double check that by counting all the way through. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Yes, that sounds right. It makes sense. All right, this one is a subtraction problem, and we're going to type our answers in the colorful boxes here and figure out 56 minus 20. So we'll start with the ones column. 6 minus 0 leaves 6. And then we're going to come over to the next column. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So our answer is 36. 56 take 20 is 36. Here we have a word problem. 15 children are playing soccer. 14 children are on the playground. How many children in all? Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got. We know this is an addition problem because it says in all. So we're going to start with our 15 children, and we're going to add, because we just said it's an addition problem. And the next number that we're going to add to it was 14. So our total is going to be 15 plus 14. That will be 29. Let's come up here. Get out 6 pencils, measure how many inches long each pencil is, and mark each one on the line plot. So I have measured some pencils, and I have got a 5-inch pencil. I'm going to drag and drop a piece here to show that I have a 5-inch pencil. I have a 6-inch pencil. I have 2 4-inch pencils. I've been busy writing. I have a 7-inch pencil. And then I have one more pencil that is also 5 inches. So here's my line plot showing the length of my pencils. Your pencils may be very different lengths, so your line plot may look very different. Which size was the most common? Looking at my line plot, 4 and 5 inches are both equally common. So I'm going to type 4 and 5 inches. I'm going to scoot that out just a little to make room. How long was the smallest pencil? Well, the smallest was 4 inches. Let's come down here to the next box. Make a rectangle in this space, divide it into thirds. So I've got pieces over here to make a rectangle with, so I am going to bring a couple of long sides over. I'm going to need some pieces to go across the bottom, and I'm just going to pull that over. Drag that up a tiny little bit. And now I know I need another piece this exact size, and since I had to change what was over here, I'm going to highlight this one, and then I'm going to press Control-C to make a copy, and then Control-V to Velcro a new one on, to paste it there. And now I have my rectangle. But I'm not done because I also need to divide it into thirds. So I need some more pieces to divide it with. So I'm going to Velcro another one here and make it 1/3 there. And I'm going to create one more piece to cut across here. And now I have 1, 2, 3 parts. It is divided into thirds. Finally, we've got some facts practice over here. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 take 7 is going to be 12. 6 plus 13, 19. And 8 and 8 is 16. So there are all of our answers.